The PE1C program equalizer can be divided into three sections: the low-frequency boost and attenuate, the high-mid boost, and the high attenuate. The high attenuation is a shelving filter that works at either 20, 10, or 5 kHz. The high-mid boost section has a peaking function, has a variable bandwidth, and works from 1 kHz through to 16 kHz. The low-frequency section has two shelving filters, one for boosting and one for attenuating. The frequency selector goes from 20 to 100 Hz and works for both boosting and attenuating. Technically, the attenuation is at a slightly higher frequency than the boost. This gives you the ability to use both filters at the same time and to get what we call the low-end trick. For more information on the low-end trick, please go to the website. On the back of the unit is the XLR input, the XLR output, the power socket, the fuse, and the voltage control. Remember the two different fuse sizes for 230 and 115 volts.